Wireless charging pads, Qi compatible versus proprietary. Title: Wireless charging pads, Qi compatible versus proprietary. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, the need for convenient and hassle-free charging options has significantly increased. Wireless charging pads have emerged as a popular solution, eliminating the need for tangled cables and providing a seamless charging experience. However, there are two main types of wireless charging pads available in the market: Qi compatible and proprietary. This article aims to explore the differences between the two and help users make an informed decision when choosing a wireless charging pad. Qi-compatible wireless charging pads. Qi, pronounced Qi, is a standard for wireless charging that was developed by the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, a group of industry-leading companies. Qi-compatible charging pads conform to this universal standard, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices from various manufacturers. This universality has resulted in widespread adoption of Qi technology, making it the most popular choice for wireless charging. Advantages of Qi-compatible pads. 1. Device compatibility. Qi-compatible pads have universal compatibility with smartphones, smartwatches, and other devices that support wireless charging. This means that whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, as long as it is Qi-enabled, it will work flawlessly with a Qi-compatible charging pad. 2. Interoperability. The standardized nature of Qi-compatible pads ensures interoperability across different brands and models. Consequently, Qi-enabled devices from various manufacturers can be charged on a single charging pad, promoting ease of use and convenience. 3. Availability. As Qi technology has gained widespread acceptance, the availability of Qi-compatible charging pads has significantly increased. They can be found in a wide range of retail outlets and online marketplaces, giving users the freedom to choose from an extensive array of options. 4. Future-proof. Qi-compatible pads are future-proof, as they are designed to adapt to future technologies and protocols. The Wireless Power Consortium continuously updates and enhances the Qi standard to accommodate newer devices and charging capabilities. Proprietary wireless charging pads. Unlike Qi-compatible charging pads, proprietary wireless charging pads are designed and tailored specifically for certain devices or manufacturers. These pads are often created by smartphone manufacturers who want to retain exclusivity for their products. Advantages of proprietary pads. 1. Optimized performance. Proprietary charging pads can offer optimized performance for specific devices. Manufacturers have more control over the charging process, resulting in faster and more efficient charging speeds. This can be a significant advantage for users seeking enhanced charging capabilities. 2. Seamless integration. When using a proprietary pad, users can expect seamless integration with their devices. These pads often provide features such as intelligent charging algorithms and synchronization with device-specific apps, leading to an enhanced user experience. 3. Design coordination. manufacturers that produce proprietary charging pads prioritize design coordination with their devices. This means that these pads often match the aesthetics of the devices they are designed for, providing a cohesive and visually appealing charging setup. Drawbacks of proprietary pads. 1. Limited compatibility. The main drawback of proprietary charging pads is their limited compatibility. 2. Reduced availability. Compared to Qi-compatible charging pads, proprietary ones are often less readily available. These pads tend to be sold through official channels, such as manufacturer websites or dedicated brand stores. Consequently, users may face difficulty in finding proprietary pads in stores or online platforms. 3. Additional cost. Proprietary charging pads are usually more expensive than their Qi-compatible counterparts. Since they are designed to align perfectly with specific devices, manufacturers often charge a premium for these tailor-made products. Pros and cons of wireless charging pads. Wireless charging pads have revolutionized the way we charge our devices, providing a convenient and clutter-free charging experience. However, before investing in a wireless charging pad, it's important to consider the pros and cons. Let's explore them in more detail. Pros of wireless charging pads. 1. Convenience. Perhaps the most significant advantage of wireless charging pads is the convenience they offer. No more fumbling with tangled cables or searching for power outlets. With a wireless charging pad, you simply place your device on the pad and charging begins automatically. It's a hassle-free and effortless experience. 2. Versatility. Wireless charging pads are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and even some laptops. This versatility makes them a convenient solution for charging multiple devices at once. Some pads even support simultaneous charging of multiple devices, further enhancing their versatility. 3. Safety. Wireless charging pads are designed with safety in mind. They feature built-in safety mechanisms such as overheat protection, surge protection, and foreign object detection, ensuring that your devices stay safe during the charging process. This gives users peace of mind knowing that their devices are being charged in a secure and protected manner. 4. Aesthetics. Wireless charging pads come in various designs and styles, allowing you to choose one that complements your personal style or matches the aesthetics of your workspace or home. From sleek and minimalistic designs to bold and colorful options, there is a wireless charging pad to suit every taste. 5. Durability. Most wireless charging pads are built to be durable and long-lasting. They are made from quality materials that can withstand everyday use, ensuring that your investment in a wireless charging pad pays off in the long run. Cons of wireless charging pads. 1. Charging speed. While wireless charging pads offer convenience, they are generally slower compared to traditional wired charging methods.